Welcome back guys, HGST is here back with another video. And as you see here, I have got some computer parts. And you know what it means when I've got computer parts. It means a new custom build. Actually, it's my first one. So we're gonna start with the parts. So first, we start with the AMD Ryzen 5 1600 6-core full-thread processor from AMD. For the motherboard, we have the MSI B350 Tomahawk Plus. For the GPU, we got the AMD Sapphire Nitro Plus Radeon RX 580 Special Edition with the with a blue cooler, and this is the 8GB version. We got a 240GB SSD from Kingston. So we got 8 gigs of DDR4 memory from Ballistix with the red camel thing. We got a 1TB HGST drive. We got a 500-watt power supply from Cooler Master, and we also got the Vegas motherboard RGB strip. And as for the case, we've got the Fractal Designs Meshify C tempered glass edition, which is tinted, and also it has a front mesh which is tessellated and makes it really cool with the Fractal logo. So these are the parts, and now let's go to the building. Let's start. Now let's start with disassembling the case. We're going to remove the tempered glass and the other side panel. Let's go. Now let's start with installing the power supply. Also, let's not forget that on the 3.5mm tray we got the accessories for the case. Power supply is going to be installed like this, so the fan upside down. let's start with installing these standoffs for the motherboard. So before installing the motherboard, we first need to install this I/O shield. So now let's install all the motherboard. Now let's install the SSD and the hard disk drive. So okay, after like 30 minutes of sorting out some little small cables over here, now we're gonna install the graphics card. But first we need to move the two brackets over here. Now let's install the graphics card. Try to boot it up. Oops. Oh, power supply. Okay, look at the RGB. Okay, right now it's red. I'm gonna change it to blue, or maybe I'm gonna change this to red. Yeah, we're booting our Windows. I've got it. Windows already installed. Yeah. So we're done. We're just gonna give it the last touches. Yeah. Okay, we completed even the cable management. Now we're gonna remove some stickers here on the front. And one solid here. And sure, we cannot forget the sticker. Okay. And the final piece. Full glory Ryzen. So this is the complete build. Okay, you might find some red accent with some blue over here, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna match them both. So this is the build. We're gonna fix that cable management over here. So here's our Radeon RX 580. The computer just booted up. So guys, after the full assembly, this is the looking of my build. So I've gone with full blue RGB on my custom build and red Ryzen wallpaper. I need to match this to red, but you see the fans over here are blue. I cannot change them to red, so it's better stick with all blue. Anyway, this turned out really nice. I'm gonna get some gaming keyboard, mouse soon, maybe a new screen and ultra wide. So this was the complete build and the part list of my build. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. Sure, I'm gonna come again with more new videos. This was a really anticipated video. It's been like, how much? Like 2 months or 3 months that I've been waiting for all the parts to get together and building, gathering the money. So it's been a lot of work to reach at this level. Yeah, future-proofing myself. So I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, sure, I'm gonna come again with some new videos in the later future. Thanks and thumbs up the video. Peace out. Previous.